My project title is Phonepe Data Visualization and Exploration. For this project, I have collected the data from the uh, Phonepe GitHub repository, and then totally I have collected total of 9 tables, and I have created 9 tables in the postgresql as table, like such as aggregated insurance, aggregated transaction, aggregated user, map insurance, map transaction, map user, top insurance, top transaction, top user. For this table, I am going to uh, de- create a pie chart, and I am going to analysis for the 4 years of data based upon the transaction which has been taken place. Let us see the data APIs. In aggregated analysis, for the year insurance in insurance analysis, for the year I am calculating for 2021. We can able to see the data for the transaction count which takes place in the year 2021 for the states of India. After that, yeah, for this date of transaction, we can able to see the map total amount of transaction which takes place in Rajasthan is 358.0848 million. If we see as West Bengal, 491.082 K. And if we select the quarter is like for the first quarter it will be around for the first 3 months. The second quarter will be the second 3 months, totally 6 months. The second quarter of the year of 2021, we can able to see the transaction here. After that, we are going to see the transaction analysis. For the transaction analysis, I have collected the data from 2018 to 2023. Here I am going to see 2022 data. As you can see the transaction amount which takes place in the year 2022 of India of Phonepe transactions. And here is the transaction, like Uttar Pradesh is 15.65 billion, Madhya Pradesh is like 23.70 trillion of transactions which takes place in the year. And I am going to see the second quarter of the month of the year 2022. As you can see the states of graph, and we can able to see the third transaction, which means 9th month. We can able to see Uttar Pradesh is 6.728 trillion, Chhattisgarh is 949 million. And I'm going to see the user analysis data of aggregated analysis. For the year 2019, I'm going to select branding and transaction amount. Total number of brand of phones which have been used for the transaction of amount, and we can able to see the first quarter cycle percentage. This is the second quarter cycle we can able to see right now. As you can see the graph, the number of devices used in Andaman and Nicobar Island for transaction, we can able to see the Andhra Pradesh. Yeah, Andhra Pradesh is like Xiaomi phone has been used over 14 million times, and then now we are going to see the map analysis. Map analysis, we are going to see map insurance analysis for the year 2021. The year 2021, as you can see, the highest amount of amount transferred in the state, Maharashtra, Karnataka, um, this and the transaction for the year 2021. This is the transaction. For the islands, we can able to see transaction amount. Now we are going to see for Bihar. Comparative to other states, the particular Purbi Champaran districts have the highest amount of transactions takes place in the state Bihar, and we can able to see the quarter. This is the first transaction in the year 2021 of Bihar. Now we are going to see the second transaction data. We can able to see now. Uh, Now Maharashtra ranks 1, and here Manipur ranks 2 in the transaction, and then we can able to see uh, now we can able to see with states which part of the state has more number of transaction. We can able to see like 23.9% is Raipur district. We can able to see the data which I have. Now we are going to see the transaction analysis, map analysis. Transaction analysis amount for the year. I'm going to select 2020. For the year, we can able to see transaction amount which takes place in the year 2020, and this is the geograph graph for the India state, which I have got this from the URL of Medium, where this code will give you the exact India map in the chart. And now we are going to see for, I will select Kerala now, state-wise transactions. In particular Kerala state, district wise we can able to see the transaction. Ernakulam has the highest amount of transaction in state space, and we can able to see the quarter. Now we are going to see the third quarter. Third quarter transaction, 9th month, Andhra Pradesh has the highest amount of transaction. Here Karnataka, and then Telangana. Now we are going to see the Mizoram state data. Mizoram state 58.4. Here Aizawl district has 53.6% of transactions which takes place in Mizoram state district. Next we are going to see the map user analysis data. In the year 2023, using map user analysis, we can able to see the yellow line as number of registered users, and green line as app opens, number of people who opens the app based upon the data collected from GitHub. We can able to see the Rajasthan has the highest amount of app opens, and registration, it is quite common here. And then we can able to see the quarter registered users and app opens. For the third quarter, we can able to see registered user is less, and app opens in the state Rajasthan has the highest amount, and we can able to see. Uh, Let us see to Tamil Nadu here. In the state of Tamil Nadu, we can able to see number of registered users and number of person app opens. Number of registered users is Tiruvallur district has the highest. Tiruvallur, Chennai, Coimbatore, Chengalpattu districts have the highest number of registered users, and app opens Tiruvannamalai, Tirupur, Salem, Krishnagiri. These are the district peoples who opens the app regularly. And now we are going to see the top analysis. Top analysis. In the top analysis, we are going to observe the top insurance analysis data. In this, I'm going to see the transaction amount which takes place in the year 2021. As you can see, uh, Karnataka has the highest amount of transaction. The total amount of transaction amount is 183.550, and here the lowest amount is Puducherry, 9.1641 million. It is the lowest amount. No, Arunachal Pradesh has the lowest amount, is 5.06 million. Nagaland has 3.10215 million. Just the less amount of transaction which takes place in the year, and we can able to see the fourth transaction in the year 2021. As you can see, Mishram, Lakshadweep has very low transactions which takes place, and now we are going to see the top transaction analysis. We want to see for the year 2023. In the transaction analysis, we can able to see on the left hand side, Karnataka has the highest amount of transaction takes place, and the lowest amount is Lakshadweep, Manipur, which comes under the lowest category, and we can able to see the graph. We can able to see the India map. Based upon the colors, we can able to see transaction which takes place. Like Tamil Nadu is 810.9051 million, and we can able to see Chhattisgarh, Orissa is 1.28 trillion of amount of transaction which takes place for the year 2023, and we can able to see the for this quarter there is only 3 quarters which have been selected, and then total amount of transaction which takes place. Lakshadweep has the very less amount, and we can able to see Karnataka has the highest amount of transaction which takes place, and then Bihar is 438.49 billion trillion, and we can able to see Andaman and Nicobar Islands is 43.8254 million. And now we are going to take the top user analysis data, and I'm going to visualize this based upon the year transaction which takes place. Now I'm going to select the year 2022. We can able to see the quarter for 1 year. Each quarter has different colors. This is the first quarter, and this is the second, third, and fourth quarter, which I have given different colors. This is the first quarter. In Andhra Pradesh, we can able to see 38.2599 million. If we go to the second quarter, it increases to 38 38.25, the same, and 3 is same, 4 is same. We can able to see this data. Lakshadweep has 30.6079 million on the first quarter, which continues the second, third, and fourth. Just the least amount. Haveli has the same as well. Now I'm going to see the data. We can able to see the fourth quarter here for this Andaman and Nicobar Highlands. Registered user is 637.9 665K. Pin code is 10.05, and this is a fourth quarter, total of fourth quarter, and data for totally fourth quarter, and this is a data for third quarter and second quarter and first quarter. And after that I'm going to analysis insights data, which I've given 10 questions. Based upon the questions I have created the pie chart. For the first question, what I've created is top brands of mobiles used for that particular transaction. The Xiaomi brand has the highest amount of data with 25.51 percentage, and second ranks is Samsung. The transaction amount is, as you can see, 09. Okay. Then next we are going to see the states with the lowest transaction amount. As you can see, Lakshadweep has the minimum amount and Arunachal Pradesh has the highest amount. And then districts with the highest transaction amount is now Bengaluru urban. It has 4.045. Okay, next is Hyderabad, and then Pune, Jaipur. Top 10 districts with the low transaction amount. As you can see, the data for this has a very low amount of data just been transferred. Top 10 states with app opens. Odisha is the lowest. Odisha is the lowest, and Maharashtra has the highest. Top 10 states with top least 10 states with the app opens. As you can see, the Nagaland has the highest, and Lakshadweep is very lowest state with lowest transaction amount. Lakshadweep, Mizoram, Ladakh, Nagaland are the lowest. Maharashtra, Karnataka comes in the highest category. State with the highest transaction amount. Able to see Maharashtra is the highest, and Lakshadweep, Mizoram comes under the lowest category. State with the highest transaction amount. Telangana has the highest. Delhi is the lowest. Top 50 districts with the lowest transaction amount. As you can able to see, this district is Mishram, which has the lowest amount, and Maggie, it is a union territory which comes under the highest category. Thank you.